Protesters in Southern California Tuesday surround, stop, and block 3 buses of undocumented immigrant families. The undocumented immigrants were being moved for processing from Texas to California to help alleviate the strain on Texas from the massive flood of immigrants. Since October, 39,000 adults with children have tried to cross the border and 52,000 children on their own. With this surge, the political temperature rises, swirling through the political cyclone fears of a rising health crisis. The Department of Health and Human Services confirms to CNN that 1 immigrant child came to the U.S. last week with the H1N1 flu virus and is now being treated at Lackland Air Force Base in San Antonio. Medical experts say this one case isn't cause for alarm. The H1N1 virus is already common in the United States. This past flu season, it was actually the most prevalent strain. Some, though, are back to calling it the swine flu, hearkening back to the fear of 2009 when H1N1 first broke out in America.
I think you need to balance responsible public health, scientific-rooted analysis, debate, and decisions against those old divisive drumbeats of fear-mongering that have accompanied waves of immigrants throughout our history.
On the front lines, the scare tactics have already trickled down.
The bottom line is you got the diseases.
We just don't want your unhealthy people coming here making our kids and my wife and my mother and father sick.
And there are some health concerns. From those 3 buses stopped Tuesday in California, the National Border Patrol Council confirms of the 136 immigrants screened, 10 children are now at local hospitals for unknown ailments, and 7 additional kids are quarantined with active scabies. The White House said today the public health risk is just one challenge they're devoting resources to.
There is a plan for dealing with those kinds of contingencies.
The president has requested additional money from Congress to deal with the surge. And responding to this specific H1N1 case today, Brianna, they say this is just one of the other areas they could help with if they had that extra money.